Welcome to English 1101, Composition 1. I'm Dr. Young, and I'll be your professor for the next 16 weeks. Over the course of this semester, we will be working on building your writing skills by focusing on rhetorical devices commonly used in writing to persuade audiences of the argument being made. The purpose of this video is to quickly walk you through how to navigate our BlazeView page. Some of you may have used BlazeView before, but keep in mind that all of your professors might use BlazeView slightly differently. So this video will help you understand how I expect you to use the site. When you first log into BlazeView, you will notice that there are several different modules on the right of the screen. These will act as folders for each of our projects, and each project will appear the week before we begin to work on it. So right now we just have the first week's module. Next week, your project 1 will show up. To the left of the screen is where you'll find any announcements I've made for the class. It's important to always check for new announcements upon entering the site and to read those so that you stay on top of things going on in class. Below the announcements is our course calendar and a work to-do list. These widgets might become overwhelming because they list everything. I recommend just working on the materials in each module where you'll only be focusing on 1 week at a time. Each module contains all the materials that you need to complete that project and will include a checklist to help you stay on top of everything easily. If we click on the Getting Started page, we can see that at the top of the module is our checklist, followed by all the assignments and materials we would need to complete this module. Here's a checklist and all of our materials. Additionally, at the end are these folders with extra information and items that you might need. Project modules will be a little bit different than this week's module because you'll find folders for each week's work. And when you click on each folder, you'll see the checklist for that week and the materials you need to work through, including readings, draft work, and assignments where applicable. Some weeks you'll have additional materials that are not required but may be helpful for you when working through your assignments. For instance, in the Getting Started module, we have, if we scroll down again, the Getting Started Videos folder. If you click on this, sometimes it'll be closed like this and you just need to click on it. Then you can see that there's several short videos like this one that will help you navigate how to use Perusal and how to find feedback in BlazeView. This is how you can find out different things about the class. And these videos will help you navigate and can be used as a reference at any point during the semester. If you have any questions, please reach out and ask. As your syllabus will explain, there are several ways that you can contact me, but the best ways are to use either Outlook email or Teams chat. Please be aware that I only check BlazeView email and instant messages periodically. So please don't reach out there, as it might be several days or even weeks before I get back to you. I look forward to working with you this semester. Have a good semester.